Welcome to the channel. I'm Tony the Technician. Today we're going to be going into gift ideas under $25. So we're going to have some tool related items. We're going to have some fishing, camping, hunting. Just a variety of a little bit of everything. Basically $25 and under. I have a couple items that are slightly over 25, but there are some alternate options. So I really hope you guys enjoy. If you guys do, make sure to smash that thumbs up. If you guys have any other gift ideas, please feel free to drop a comment down below. Also, if you guys would like to see a video of $50 and under, I'd be happy to make that, but please let me know down in the comments. But first up, we are looking at the Titan Tools 10-piece 10mm socket set. This is going to include 1/4 inch and 3/8 drive sockets, all in 10mm. So whether you're buying for yourself or buying for somebody else, and you're trying to stick under $25, this is a really good option. This is at under $20, list price of $22, so a little bit of savings on it. But 10mm socket set, I get it, it's a joke, all of that. These sets are actually really handy. I've had one for years and it's fantastic. You get a variety: shallow, deep, universal, impact, sometimes magnetic impact. And sometimes you get them in just 1/4 inch and 3/8. Sometimes you get them in all three drive sizes. There's a variety from many different brands out there. Some of them very affordable like this. Some of them get up there 30s and higher. Here's just another one that's kind of known to be an Amazon brand, the Mix Power and Casamin brands, both Amazon kind of specials. This set is at $14.38 on a Black Friday deal right now, down from a list price of $19, once again including 3/8 and once again including 1/4 inch and 3/8, all 10mm, 6-point. You get shallow impact in both drive sizes that is magnetic. Then you get shallow, mid-length, universal, and deep well. I think that's a great price. So I think those are great gift ideas, whether you're purchasing for yourself or if you're looking for ideas for somebody else. Next up, the Tekton screwdrivers that are no longer being made by Tekton. They have switched their screwdrivers to Germany, but you can still find their screwdriver sets on their outlet store as well as on Amazon, priced very, very well. They have two different USA made designs: the 4-sided hard handle, which you're looking at right now, and the tri-lobe high torque. Both options really good. You can get them in a black oxide blade or a chrome blade. This is the chrome blade version with 2 slotted, 2 Phillips at $11, but they do have multiple different size sets available as well. Here's their tri-lobe high torque design, also made in the USA. This specifically is their Torx driver set, but you can get them in normal drivers as well, Phillips and slotted, and you can get multiple different size sets as well. So tons of different options, really good. It's all personal preference as far as the handle design. I really like both the USA made designs that Tekton had. It is unfortunate that they're gone. They do have good screwdrivers now made in Germany, but I really enjoyed these as well. But both really good, affordable options for some USA made tools. Next up, Capri Tools, another great brand to check out if you're looking for quality tools at a good price. They have some fantastic stuff. I really like their Wobble, or this is kind of like their Wobble Plus. So you get your standard extension design, but you also get that Wobble feature. Very affordable in all three drive sizes. This one's on sale at under $22. This is a 4-piece set, comes in a nice little tray. And keep in mind, all of the brands that I've mentioned also are doing Black Friday deals. So even if the items I'm showing you, they aren't on a Black Friday deal, either they will be coming up on a deal or they will have multiple other items that will be on a Black Friday deal. But these are already priced really, really well. So maybe you're looking to purchase for yourself or somebody else as far as a everyday carry knife, something that you can use as a beater, because $25 and below, you're really restricting yourself, but there are still some good options out there. Shoot, Ozark Trail has some good options at Walmart. But keep in mind, these are cheaper knives. These are things that, you can use on an everyday basis, kind of beat up, and, it's okay. You're not going to be hurt about it. It's not like you're damaging a $100 knife. The quality and features that you get in a $25 knife nowadays is very impressive compared to what you used to get. This is a brand called Flissa, and they are very well known on Amazon for very affordable but pretty good quality knives. This is D2 steel, so nothing special, but holds an edge really well, easy to sharpen. This has G10 handles, so it's nice and grippy. It's got a flipper, 2 different flippers, and then it's also got this really cool button lock. It's a pivot lock, which you don't find on very many knives unless you're getting into some more expensive stuff. Some knives, 3-4 times this price. So I think for a really cheap knife, this is a really good option, but Flissa does have tons of other options underneath the $25 price range. This has a list price of $30. It's down to $24. Just a really good option. Here's one that's slightly over $25. This is at $27.53, down from a list price of $39. It doesn't ever sell at that because this is the D2 version. They do have other variations in Nitro V, which is something I prefer a little bit more over the D2, but still very affordable. This is a lightweight knife. Great size, super easy carry because it's so lightweight, because it has very minimal internal framing. On one side, it just uses a scale. The other side has a liner lock, which is kind of the framing on that side inside of the scale. And this is the one that I have. This is the Rich Light, and this is at $33, down from $39. This has got the Nitro V blade, super lightweight. I love this knife. It's a great everyday carry, and it will actually go on sale around $30 as well. So this black one is the cheapest with the D2 steel and the G10 handles. Still a really good option for an everyday carry beater knife. Of course, the very popular Work Pro mini water pump pliers. These are the 4-inch, and they have 15 different positions that it can adjust to, up to, I believe it was a 1-inch open jaw. Yes, 1 inch. So these are like pocket carry pliers, really handy. Some people don't think they'd really get use out of them. Maybe you won't, but a lot of people would be surprised how handy a small set of pliers like this can be. I carried a set similar to this for 2 years straight, and they were fantastic. But this is basically an imitation of the Knipex that they released. They have a 4 and 5-inch version, both fantastic, but the Knipex ones can be expensive, $30+. So if you're looking for an affordable set, they're miniature pliers. The chances of you damaging them pretty slim. This is $14.44, down from $17. So even at its full price, it's a great deal. It is available in black and silver, both at the same price. So those are definitely a good option. I have a full review on these as well. This is the Through Night Tie keychain flashlight, which is a customized edition with 704 tactical. I have this light, very, very powerful, compact light that you can either just drop in your pocket or keep on your keychain. It's got a magnetic base, 650 lumens, and it actually lasts quite a while. I mean, this little light outperforms a lot of my work lights, and it runs longer and is brighter. It's pretty impressive. It's also got a clip on it, so you can attach it to a hat, your pocket, whatever it may be. Very, very affordable, bright LED light, rechargeable USB-C, $15.16, down from a typical price of basically $19. Another really good light option is the Workhos HD03. This is a rechargeable flashlight as well, 680 lumens. It's got both RGB and white light. It can be a spotlight, floodlight. You can use the RGB. It's got a magnetic base. It's got a clip, IPX6 waterproof. It's available in multiple different color options. The orange is down to $20. The green is down to $15.29. I mean, that's priced really well for the features that you're getting in the quality that you're getting. It's quite impressive. If you've been interested in like the O-Light, O-Clip or whatever, those can be around $30 to $40. I think this is a really good alternate option. And Workhos, I've done a few reviews on some of their different lights, and they've been very impressive and are built extremely well. So I think this is a really good option for a lot of people. Next up, we got the popular Woobin G5. This is a rechargeable flashlight as well, 400 lumens. This also has built-in RGB and a white light. Very handy because the head actually rotates. It's got a rotating pocket clip. Very user-friendly, a little slide on the side where you can lock it so it doesn't accidentally come on. You got a dial that you can turn to adjust the brightness or rotate through the RGB colors. It's also magnetic. And just a great little flashlight. It is available in white as well. Certain times of the year you can get it in various different colors. Right now it's just the black and the white. Sometimes they'll have special editions. This is their 9-year anniversary one. But the black version does come in at $25. Not on sale, but I'm sure we will also see sales throughout the holiday season. But Woobin definitely is another brand to consider when looking at some affordable, good quality flashlights. Maybe you're buying for somebody that's into fishing. They have mystery boxes that start around $20. They do get more expensive. You can get the Pro for $32, the Elite for $48, and the Ultimate for $80. but the regular, it's going to include just fishing accessories. And I think that's really cool for those that are interested in fishing. Maybe it's a big hobby of theirs, and you don't know what to buy them. Maybe you don't want to buy them a reel or a rod because you don't know if it's a good one or not. Accessories for fishing can be very affordable, and they can always use accessories like this. So I think a mystery box is always kind of entertaining and fun to receive as a gift if that's what you're interested in. Also, another thing, it's slightly over $25, but something like this, it's a tackle box, but like when you're into fishing, you can never have enough, whether this is going to be their primary bag that they take out, or maybe this is where they want to store some of the stuff that they don't use as often. When you get into fishing stuff, you can accumulate a lot. Having something like this is great for those that maybe just do it every once in a while, and this can be their primary, or somebody that's really into fishing and you know they could use the extra space for some of the stuff that they got trying to cram into another bag. But it seems to be laid out really well. A lot of external pouches, internal area, and it seems to be built well, really highly rated, and is at $26.39, down from $40. Also, just so you guys are aware, all of these items will be linked down in the description for you guys. If you guys are interested, it's all there for you. Here we're looking at the Thermo Pro. This is if you're into grilling or smoking or whatever it may be. I don't suggest buying like accessory tools for grills like the tongs and the spatula unless you know it's a good quality one that they're going to enjoy, because a lot of the kits that you're going to find on Amazon, they're just going to be junk. And it's probably just going to be something that they toss in the back of a cabinet somewhere and never use. But if you get seasonings, everybody likes to try out new seasonings. You get a thermometer. They can never have enough thermometers. They go bad all the time. So there's certain things that you can buy for those that are into grilling and smoking. So the Thermo Pro, this is a digital meat thermometer, and it's just really handy, compact one. I keep one in the bottom of my grill outside. It's been there for like a year and a half. It does just fine. This is at $13.30. Just a really good option for those that are into that. Maybe you want to step it up a little bit and get them something a little fancier. Maybe they want to be able to put this in the meat and leave it and not have to open the grill or smoker. These are wireless meat thermometers, and there are tons of other brands out there. This is slightly over $25 at $33, down from a list price of $58. But there are tons of brands out there around this $30 price range. But when these first became popular, they can be very expensive. I bought my father some for Christmas a couple years ago, and it was easy. I think it was Meter, the brand, easily $100 per thermometer. You can get these with 1, 2, 3, 4, so you can stick in different parts of the meat or different meats in general, and you can keep track of each one. Just really cool. It's all operated off of an app on your phone. This one actually has a display on the charging device as well, or the case that it sits in, dual ways to monitor. So I thought that was really cool. And so if you're buying for somebody into grilling, this is a really cool option at an affordable price. So maybe they're into, whether it's fishing, hunting, camping, whatever it may be, hiking, tactical pouches can be really handy. Tons of different things out there. This one is rated very highly and rated a lot. It's available in tons of different colors. But when you get into any of that, camping, fishing, hunting, maybe just range, hiking, having different types of pouches for different things, keeping organized can be really, really handy and save you a headache. Whether you're looking at smaller pouches like this to keep things organized or larger pouches, there's tons of them available. I think this is a really good option for anybody interested in outdoors. This is at $11.89, down from $14. Definitely a good one for the outdoorsman. And then just a good quality wallet. These are great for anybody. If you notice maybe their wallet's a little beat up, maybe kind of try and take a peek at it, see its design. These wallets are available in different layouts. So whether you like a bifold like this, or you like the bifold the other direction, maybe they like the money clip, maybe they don't. You can get this wallet in multiple different variations. You can search on Amazon for the top rated wallets. Some wallets can get quite expensive. I have experience with this one. You can get it in multiple different color options. So maybe you know their color, leather, you know, whatever it may be, tons of different color options at an affordable price with multiple different layouts. You just look at this brand, go check out some of their other wallets. They got basically the same thing, just slightly altered for those. Maybe you like to be able to pull your cards out with a pull tab, or, you know, they got fancier ones. But this one's at $24, down from $30, and I've really enjoyed it. This has 4.6 stars, 13,706 ratings, so rated very highly and rated a lot. Now that's it as far as my list. All of these will be linked down in the description. If you guys are looking for Amazon deals, maybe just tool related on Amazon, you can simply click on the Black Friday, click on See More Departments, go down to Tools and Home Improvement. Then you can simply click on Power Tools and Hand Tools. The problem with these is they fill these with a whole bunch of off-brand junk, and then like you'll find some good deals every once in a while. They got a lot of DeWalt in here. They got an EcoFlow. This tools section is kind of filled with somebody that the algorithm doesn't actually know what actual tools are, so it's just kind of filled with miscellaneous junk. But it's also got some good stuff in here. Like now they've thrown in Leatherman. You got an off-brand cordless ratchet. You got these gimmicky magnetic wristbands. But every once in a while, you will find a little golden gem through here. So it's always worth just kind of checking out. These are all items that are on Black Friday deals. So, I mean, it's worth it. It's going to be filled with a lot of junk, but it's also going to include just a few sweet hidden gems. Here's some gear wrench ratchets at $52, down from $75. Skirt. I got to throw this in. I actually already ended the video, but I forgot to mention this. If none of these really tickle your fancy, and you don't know what to get that person, and you live near a Harbor Freight, Inside Track Club memberships are only $30. That's an annual membership that you can give them for $30 that will then save them possibly a ton of money throughout the year. So whether they go to a lot of the events or sales that they have going on, or maybe they're just one that could save some money by buying some of those ITC member only deals. Also a really good option as a gift. So just wanted to throw that in. So that is it as far as my list under 25. If you guys have any other ideas, please feel free to drop a comment down below. But once again, all of those are linked down in the description for you guys. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to smash that thumbs up. And if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.